Today, we use the Veho1000 Pro 3D printer to print a Coca Cola billboard with a diameter of 800 millimeters. Let's slice it first. We can see that it takes about 7 hours to complete. The filaments are plough. Spent about 500 grams of consumables with a cost of less than $10. Now we take it to the studio and hang it up. This way, customers can see our advertisements when they come in. If you also have the need to print billboards, you can also purchase this Veho1000 Pro 3D printer. Veho1000 Pro is the best choice for customized production in small batches.